We've recently revamped our transfer money experience and now offer an easy to understand path to fund your accounts with clear, logical steps to get you where you need to be. And there's more help along the way with FAQs and guidance on deposit types. To get to Qtrade's Connect Your Bank Account, you'll please select Transfer Money first. Then you'll select Deposit Money. And lastly, you can select Direct Deposit. You'll also notice there's an option for Interac e-transfer, which we touched on earlier. Okay, now on to how to connect your bank account. From the direct deposit screen, you'll be directed to the electronic funds transfer page, where you can connect to your bank or credit union account securely and efficiently. Under Add New Bank Account, select Connect to your financial institution. Next, you'll search for and select your bank or credit union from the list provided. Once you select your bank or credit union accounts, you'll be directed to enter your username and password for your financial institution. Then select Continue. Note, it may take a minute or two to connect your bank or credit union. Then you'll see a list of accounts to connect. Select your preferred accounts to start the connection. You'll be notified when it's complete. With your accounts connected, you'll then be able to initiate your deposits or funding request.